You do wonder like how this animal eats grass and plants, but alhamdulillah you get meat out of that animal. In a sense, it's unbelievable because they are so strong. It's just like an adrenaline rush. You get this type of fear. It's not like a scary type of fear, but it's a respect type of fear. I try to do the rites of sacrifice as best as I can so that the animal stays calm, the animal don't suffer. I guess you can say that it dies quickly. I came out to San Cristobal about 7 years ago. I found out about the community and there was a small community over here during college. I wasn't really comfortable being alone as a Muslim. So I decided to come out here only for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There was no other reason. My intentions were really just to come out here and help out. Sheikh Mudar tells me, would you be interested in working as a butcher apprentice? I was like, well, if you really needed me to. He's like, yes, we need you to do it because the main butcher, he's only gonna be there a couple months. We should find somebody to train so that he takes over the butcher shop. When the opportunity arises, you have to take it. And I never expected to be a halal butcher, you know. Sometimes I said, I don't know if I can do this, but I'm just doing it for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that just gives me the extra push to do it. First, I just started cleaning the shop, sweeping the shop. And then the butcher started teaching me how to manage the meat, how to store the meat, what kind of pieces to do certain cuts. We have limited resources, but we are self-sustainable. And a lot of the brothers and sisters out here, they are also limited in resources. I've been a butcher now for a year, so with all this knowledge that I have, I can hopefully share that knowledge so that other brothers and sisters may benefit from it, inshallah. So it's been about a month after the Eid, and a lot of the brothers and sisters haven't really ate meat that much because of the location that we have right now. Opening a butcher shop closer to the city would be great for them to get more access to halal meat. It is really essential for a community to have meat available anytime, because before, like, we would go a year without eating meat. If you eat halal, you're gonna try to do your best to do halal things. You practice your faith, practice Islam. It really puts that nur that you need in your heart when you feed from halal animals.